Hello everybody, welcome back to the adventure vlog where we do travel and music festivals and all of the chaos of life in between. This video is me thrifting for my Groove Cruise music festival themed outfits. You're probably thinking, Ren, why are you doing this when it's only September, when Groove Cruise is not until January? Well, listen, the perfect time to find cheap and good outfits to match the themes is this time of year, because the Halloween costumes are all out and about, not only at Spirit Halloween and the Halloween stores, but also at the Thrift. And I'm all about saving money, and so let's go see what we can find based on all of these themes. Check it out, I parked right next to this cart, so let me just grab that and head right in. My point exactly, Halloween stuff. I've only been here like 10 minutes and I already feel like my cart's getting full. This would not be for Groove Cruise, this is just for fun. But I'm thinking, so there's the animal instincts, but I don't know what I would put for the rest of the outfit. But I kind of like the squid idea. Also, there's the food fetish day, which is funny as hell. There's this ranch costume. I'm gonna call Logan in a second and see if he would want any of the things I found. But this is like hilarious, come on. Or this bun in the oven for the food fetish. I feel like that kind of like, you know, kind of hits 2 points there in the costume section, which is just like a cute little harness for like rave accessory in general. I would just have to figure out how it goes on. But yeah, I could also put this with the outfit for, what's it called? Midnight Seduction. I just think that's cute. I probably don't need it, but it's cute. This is hilarious because this is exactly the theme, is animal instincts. That's so funny. So same day, different location. Is that turquoise? That's fine. Same day, different location. So I'm at a Goodwill. I found a few things at the first place and not finding a lot here. I found this little shirt, little Jimmy Buffett, but it wouldn't be for the Groove Cruise, it would just be for me. So we'll see. I think this could be for one of us for Animal Instincts. It's this whole 2-piece set. But I'm like, it's kind of big. I don't know if it would fit me, maybe Logan. $7. It's also women's, so I think he would wear it just because. I don't know, it's hard to say.
Day 2.
This is kind of cool. I wish there was a Christmas theme. Maybe I should get this. Gotta remember to try and stay on theme. I get so distracted at thrift stores.
Day 3.
Okay, so I'm kind of looking for actual Halloween now too. There's some fun stuff I've already found. This, I'm thinking I'll maybe be a pirate. Someone inspired me at work for that. These are mostly kids, but usually, you know, I like to squeeze into kids stuff too. I kind of liked this for the Shimmerverse thing, but I also really want wings for that theme. So I'm not sure. I like this though. Something about this is fun. Okay, I think this is a Barinka set. I'm pretty sure. Like, am I tripping? I'm tripping. This is like Power Rangers or something. Is this that rave brand? It is, Barinka. Dude, what? It's for $7? Size 2-3? How we feeling?
Day 4.
Hello. Wow, bright sun in my eyes. Okay, so this is like day 4, I think, of trying to thrift for my Groove Cruise themed outfits. I'm really looking for some wings. I want something kind of like mystical for the Shimmerverse theme. So that's one thing. I also just feel like when costumes are out at the thrift store, it's really just a good time to find this stuff. I have never been to this one before, so I'm excited to check it out. This is what I'm looking for.
days later.
All right, y'all, it's another day, another thrift, because I'm feeling like I'm not having a lot of luck, and it's almost Halloween, and so I really want to find a cool like fairy type outfit for the Shimmerverse theme, and I also have to grab a couple things for my Halloween costume. By the time you're seeing this, I'll probably be wearing it. I'm going into Plato's Closet. This is somewhere that I haven't really checked out yet for these kind of like theme things. We had some luck last year going into a Plato's Closet for Groove Cruise themes, but I also feel like they're just not as random and fun because they're so much more curated. So let's just see what we can find. I like the look of that. I'm a sad girl, I forgot my headphones. Okay, so for Down the Rabbit Hole, Logan and I were going to be Tweedledee and Tweedledum. This is the inspo pic. But I think they have long sleeve yellow shirts on, but I'm thinking because it's going to be hot, I do like a tank top, and I'm going to be wearing like red jeans. This one's 70% off of $5, so I feel like you literally can't go wrong. I also found this for this weekend. I'm going to be sweating my booty off, but it'll go well with my clown costume, I think. So this is a good place to start. I'm gonna see if I can find Logan any yellow like shirts or red pants, because he's gonna be struggling with these color combos.
A few moments later.
Currently at a thrift I've never been to before, and it's really cool. It's huge. I wasn't expecting that. I'm really trying to find some wings, and I can't, or something for like a fairy costume for the Shimmerverse. You would think that that would be like one of the most common things to find.
Eventually.
It's time for me to do like the haul for this. I thought that I grabbed more, but I'm just gonna kind of walk you through everything that I thrifted, what theme it's for, and then what else I'm wearing that's already in my closet that's also probably been thrifted. This has no meaning for Groove Cruise, but I just thought it was cute and I bought it today. It was literally $1.50. Plato's Closet, do not sleep on them, y'all. They were doing a 70% off sale. Let me just go based off of this list here in order. Thursday, when we arrive on the ship, it's going to be Represent theme. Last year, because we were Groove Cruise virgins, we all wore white, and there's also like other colors based on how many Groove Cruises you've been on, but people also use this day to represent what city they're from or their favorite DJs or whatever. I've decided I'm going to wear my Chicago Shufflers dance jersey. Now, hear me out. There was a lot of drama with the Chicago Shufflers. It's long and involved, and like while I don't really want to necessarily be like a part of their group. Oh my gosh, guys, we're gonna try this again. To be so for real with you, I had to switch cameras to my old camera that is also unreliable in the way that it's working. I'm sorry if the quality goes down. I think I'm gonna have to save up for a new camera. If you wanna donate to the cause, you can like do the YouTube thanks thing here, or the buy me a coffee link that's in the description. Literally, this is so insane. I don't know why my camera is like freaking out. Like, look, like it won't even turn off. Like it should be off right now. And oh my gosh, like what is happening? Okay, that's not what this video is about. Okay, rant over. So there was a lot of drama with the Chicago Shufflers, and I don't want to necessarily represent them as a crew because I don't want to be connected with that. But I also spent a good money on this stupid jersey. And so I feel like no better time to rep it than when I need to represent my cité. So then the night theme is crowns and corsets. I didn't thrift this time around, but I thrifted it last year for Groove Cruise. It's this corset that took literally 100 years to put on, like to lace up correctly so that it would fit me correctly. And I wore it on Groove Cruise last year, so I'm not like dying to wear it again, but it's been hard to find another corset, so I probably will. I'll just do something different with the outfit. And for the crown, I've actually had this for a long time. I got this in Disney World at the crown store, at the tiara shop, at the Magic Kingdom years ago. I do need to have it like polished. It's literally like a sterling silver crown with like cubic zirconia gems, obviously. But I'm definitely gonna rock this for crowns and corsets. Next on Friday, the day theme is food fetish. Listen, I don't have anything to wear for that yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Part of me wants to like literally like put food all over my body, like actual something edible, just to be like really dramatic about it. But I did get this, and I believe that Logan is going to wear this. I did pick this up earlier in the video from that Savor. It was a good price. I think it was like $8 to $10. The night theme is Down the Rabbit Hole, and Logan and I are going to team up and be Tweedledee and Tweedledum. I feel like it's something that's very underdone in reference to Alice in Wonderland, the movie, and the themes. I feel like it's something you don't see very often. So what I'm gonna wear is this pair of jeans that I have thrifted a long time ago, a couple years ago in downtown Chicago, so not for this video, but I'm gonna wear those jeans. And then today, actually brand new with tags, it's like a Target brand, but this little tank top. And then I think what we'll do is have like either like a blue bandana or a white bandana for our necks with that, and then you just kind of get the picture. I do think we need the hats too though. I just don't know. I might have to DIY something with that. This literally ended up being $1.50 before tax, so maybe like $2. Insane. Our next theme for Saturday is the beach day, the day that we're on the island, and I don't think I'm really gonna follow the theme. It's Turquoise Temptation, but it's literally just like you're at the beach and you're on the island, so I feel like I'll just wear a bathing suit. The theme for the night though is Midnight Seduction, so I went ahead and got these for my crew. I got each of us a masquerade mask in different colors and themes because I feel like Midnight Seduction, that's kind of what's on the promo. And also it's like, I feel like masquerade theme, but what I'm gonna wear with this, I don't know yet. Part of me wants to do like some sort of like dress. Part of me wants to do some sort of like lingerie or like even like sleep time because it's literally midnight. I'm thinking like midnight masquerade party, something like sexy. So that's the beginning of the costume. And I also got this. This was just $2. Don't know exactly what I want to do with it, but I really enjoyed it. It's like what's this word? Like a silky, costumey, silky vest. And I think that I could actually add like some thread here and make it like a super cute like top. So maybe this could be part of Midnight Seduction since I don't really have an outfit yet for that. Then Sunday, our final day, we have Animal Instincts. For this, I'm going to be a spider, basically, with this lingerie set that I already have from when I was partnering with Parade a bunch. It's literally like a spiderweb lingerie piece. I also got these like spiderwebby gloves, and I have also this spiderwebby cape. So I'm basically gonna be a spider. It's gonna be kind of witchy looking, but I think it's gonna work out. Almost forgot, I also grabbed these. These were $1.50. So like $1.75 after tax. And I think they are with bats instead of like just spider webs, but I think I might wear them with the spider outfit. The last theme we have for the nighttime of the Sunday, it's the Shimmerverse. And now I have been struggling with this because I really want to be like a sparkly fairy, but it's been difficult. I don't know why nobody has any wings at any of these thrift stores that I have seen yet. I don't want to go and pay like full price, like $30 for a pair of cheap wings from Spirit Halloween. Like I just don't want to do that. So I'm going to keep looking. I also feel like I used to work at Claire's, and I also feel like at the end of the Halloween season, they always have their Halloween stuff go on like super duper clearance. And so I'm hoping that I can bounce around to a Claire's and find like a cheap pair of wings. Hopefully. And then I really want to wear this Fractal Witch outfit that I've had for a couple of years that I literally cannot find. When we moved out of our Chicago apartment the first time, we packed everything up. I had it there. I remember for sure. I remember where it was. I remember what I packed it in. And I can't seem to find like what bin it is in. So I hope I just didn't like misplace it in one of our moving times because I'll be very sad. So I've been scouring my home and all of my storage bins for that because I really would like to wear that and have like a fairy theme for that. But that pretty much concludes my thrifting for Groove Cruise outfits. Let me know what you plan on wearing or what you would do, especially for some of these themes where I'm a little bit clueless still. Give me your ideas in the comments. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really kind of like anxiety ridden right now about my camera. So I'm trying to keep it positive and keep it light. I'm just gonna have to figure out what to do within the next couple of months. So stay tuned, subscribe to see what I end up doing. And yeah, wear fun stuff because life is too short to wear boring clothes. And keep living large and I'll catch you on the flip. Ow.